friends, today we're going to be showing you the dairy goats and how our mobile pen's set up. We're also going to be showing you how we fence break them, and we're going to show you a little bit of milking.
Yeah.
Before we get started, please subscribe and like. Also, comment down below and ring that bell and share with friends. Let's get started.
Here's Buddy. This is our billy goat, little Toggenburg.
Yeah, and he nibbles a lot.
He nibbles a lot. What about her? She's hungry. This is Charlotte,
My goat.
Walker's goat. She's a milking machine.
And then she's gonna possibly have triplets.
And then we
her
have
name's
Esther. We have Esther. She's getting pretty big here. She's gonna have babies here pretty soon. We'll be showing you those.
I actually feel them kicking in there.
Yeah, you can feel them. Right here you can feel one. Here, Walker. Feel it?
I can't feel it.
Right here.
Wait.
Right there.
I can't feel it. I can feel it.
Feel the baby?
No.
That side's their stomach.
This side?
Yeah. We just got the goats out on grass today, and they're not electric fence trained, as you can find out. The billy goat just tried to chew the fence, so he hasn't learned to respect the fence yet. What we did is we put netting on the outside, and then what we want to do is have them fence broke to where we're only using two strands of poly wire. And we'll get them fence broke here. Obviously the billy goat, he's not fence trained yet.
Obviously not.
No.
It says he's the nibbler. He will try to nibble it.
Here's our portable goat pen. This used to be an old kicker wagon. Yeah, I did some horse trading to get the wagon. It actually has turned out really well. We put a ramp on it with a boat winch. You can probably lift that by yourself, get off. And then we built a Dutch door. Got it, Charlotte. It's a homemade latch. Actually a pretty easy latch to build.
Are we gonna show?
I didn't like the hasp. And then if you're inside and the door latches behind you, we'll stick this here through here and just pop the latch. It's not a big deal. I have 6 windows that are removable. Pretty simple to get out. Here's our hay feeder. It holds 2 bales, 2 small square bales of hay. And then there's grain under. We give them loose minerals, and then we're keeping water in here with them right now until we can make sure that they're getting their fresh water out here in the water tub. We have the pen split in half. We got our milk stands. We have
milking parlor.
Yeah, our milking parlor, as Walker would like to say. We have it set up to where 2 of us can be milking at one time, so chores doesn't take so long. And then we have
milking Esther and Charlotte.
when we're milking Esther and Charlotte, that's correct. And then we keep our grain here. We mix our grain. We have corn, a sweet feed, another sweet feed, and then we put alfalfa pellets in it. And it kind of looks something like this once we have it all mixed up. It's really working well for Charlotte. She's milking almost a gallon of milk a day. And I think she's about 60 days into her lactation, so she's probably hit peak lactation. So let's
Esther finally jumped up.
let's let Charlotte in.
Charlotte?
Come on, Charlotte.
Charlotte, get in here. Honey.
This is the first time Charlotte's been milked in here, so we'll see how she does.
Yep, figures.
Yep. Oh.
Come on. In you go.
I'm gonna just latch that.
You made it thinner so her head can't get out.
Well, I'm hoping that she can't get out of that. I wanted it not as tight as the other one that we did. All our milk stands have sides on them so they can have something to lean up against.
And not me, Charlotte. Here you go.
We use a
Dairy wipes.
They're called a dairy wipe or a teat wipe. She doesn't milk as much in the evening as she does in the morning because she's got less time. Try to be as clean as possible. We sterilize our stainless steel milk can, just a gallon milk can.
Hey, Dad. I'm gonna go up there. Just.
We hand milk. I have machine milkers that I had whenever we had my dairy goats. At one time I had 52 milking does. And those 52 does, I used to feed white-tailed deer with it. The gentleman that I was raising them for paid me $200 a month to keep his fawns and feed them. And I'd keep anywhere from 30 to 50 fawns and feed that milk to the fawns. This girl here, she's an easy milker. We have another one, she takes a little bit of extra work to milk her. I enjoy milking this one here. And then out of those 52 does, we can't sell raw milk here in the state of Pennsylvania without a bunch of regulations and whatnot. I used to sell it as pet milk, and then whatever the people did after it left my premises, that was their thing. I wasn't. But I sold, probably 8-10 gallons a week for pet milk. One gentleman, he used to say it was good for ulcers. I don't know. I never. But a lot of lactose intolerant people can actually tolerate goat's milk because the fat particles are a lot smaller. We decided to get back into our goats. We tried a couple years ago and we kind of got stung with some sick goats. Paid a bunch of money for some goats that they were sick. But Charlotte, she's pretty well milked out. This is what we got, almost a half a gallon. It's actually a lot for her for evening, so she must be happy out here. You done, girl? You done?
Dad, can you unlock the cage from in the inside?
Let me out.
Okay.
You gotta put some grain into Esther and Buddy. Give them the same as we're feeding the milk, or the milkers. Let me in. Let me put this away. Keep Esther in good condition, keep Buddy growing. Yeah, he's gonna be our breeder. Let's put these windows back in, honey. Put that one in over there. For tonight. Flip it over. Emmy's gonna come out and wash the windows here.
Yeah, just not today.
Just not today. I have a milk stool, but I'm not sure we're gonna need it.
Why are you under the pen?
We'll let them go for tonight. Hopefully they'll be fine. We got them kind of close to the house, a little nervous about coyotes and stuff coming in and messing with them. Seen this, got a weed on the fence here.
They won't come this close to house and just
Oh yes, they will. You can see that the goats haven't really got out yet because they haven't eaten the multiflower roses.
I'm surprised Buddy hasn't eaten that yet.
Here, buddy, take your milk.
Okay.
We'll take our milk in, we'll strain it and get it in the refrigerator as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Now, you're not going to get her out of there. She's got grain. She likes her clover.
You don't want to pull them out of there or they won't go back in.
They know how to get in and out. You can pull them out.
Come on. Come on.
The UV light would do you some good.
You're going to take her over to Multiflower Rose, see if she'll eat it.
Let's take, I'll give Buddy.
Looks good, huh?
I think Buddy can eat some of it.
Walker, you just hold your help.
Well, she likes Yellow Rocket. They're just not used to being outside.
She just wants to be in.
Yep, she'll be fine. That's all there is to taking care of the goats.
Basically. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, and ring that notification bell. See ya, friends.
So long.
Bye.